So, good morning, sir. My name is Joshua Gibson T. Delphine from BSIT 2A, and my teammate is Francis S. Lloyd Velasco, sir. So, this is our simple crude system which naka-include po siya ng ID, student name, course enrolled, total fee, and total paid. So, how does this system work? So, dito po sa code, meron po tayong mga variables na naka-declare na student ID, first name, last name, course name, fee amount. Because ito po yung gagamitin natin para magiging output po para sa aming table. So, paano po ang kanyang logic? So, dito po sa aming database, meron po kaming student table, which is S. And we want to inner join the courses ID sa mismong course na table and the student table na may contain rin na course ID. So, ibig po sabihin dito is from the student table na which contains a courses ID, we i-join niya po tong course rin na ID. So, here is an example. So, dito sa student table, which is right here, sir, meron pong course ID na number 1. So, dun po sa code is kukunin niya rin yung related ID sa ibang tables. So, ito po yung course tables, which is naka-contain po din siya ng course ID. So, dito po sa student table, ang course ID na nakalagay dito is number 1. And dito rin sa course ID, meron pa yung number 1. So, ang number 1 na course ID, which is contains the base information technology. So, ibig sabihin po dito sa code, from the student table na which contains the course ID, i-join niya po yung related course ID na sa ibang tables, which is the number 1, which contains the Bachelor of Science in Information Technology. So, dito po sa system namin, ito po yung lalabas is Information Technology. So, dito po sir is same concept naman sila sa school fees. Sa student tables, meron po doon nakakontain na course ID. So, sa school fees, meron din na rin naman na course ID. So, ito po sir, which is itong sa student, which is my course ID, kunin naman yung related na course ID, which is dito naman sa school fees, which contains the total fee amount na 25,000. So, dito naman po siya maglabas sa aming system na 25,000. So, dito naman sa aming payments, kunin niya naman yung student ID mismo sa student tables. Because ito po na-declare na left join payments on the student ID, which is doon na-contain sa aming students. So, here is an example of our system, sir. So, mag-add tayo ng student. Example is 1. Juan de la Cruz. And ang sign course niya is Business Information Technology. So, yun na, sir, is si Juan de la Cruz na-add na. So, ito yung next function niya, sir, is mag-edit. Editan po natin ang JP. Update changes. So, yun na, sir, ang Juan de la Cruz naging JP de la Cruz. Sir, next, sir, is delete. Example, delete natin itong Israel Delphine, sir. So, yan na po ang system namin, sir. Thank you, sir.